In this video, we are going to see that if we want to add the subscribe watermark or any watermark so that the people can subscribe it to, whether it's your own picture or the subscribe button itself, hidden as an overlay on the right hand corner as you see in most of the videos, here's how you can easily add that. First of all, let's head over to the profile icon and click on the YouTube Studio. Click on the content, click on the customization. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, we can see this option which says video watermark. As you can see that I have added a subscribe button, but if you want to change it to something else, let's remove it, upload it again. And let's say it is something like this, let's say, click on done. And then it will be shown like this. So whether it's a subscribe button, whether it's your own profile picture, whatever, you can display that at the end of the video, in the entire video, or custom start time, whatever you like. And after that, you just hit publish, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.